Hello my dear visitors and subscribers, nice to meet you here again at Crazy Engine channel. I'm apologizing for a 2 weeks of delay of non-working of my videos because I simply was on vacation. And right now, today, I'm installing again OS FR5 300 radial 5-cylinder engine. But today's video less dedicated to the vision, but more dedicated to the audio, to the sound, because today we are comparing the two different exhaust systems. So, open exhaust system, as was in the box, and a ring exhaust system, which is right now installed on the engine. So, and definitely I will ask you to judge by yourself which sound you like better. Thank you for watching. So my dear visitors and subscribers, what should I say? I should say that the ring, the closed exhaust system sounds a little bit better according to my understanding about my test. This is the first, it has more bassier notes and has a, how to say, more concentrated sound volume and some very close to the real big engine sound. Also, a big advantage of the ring exhaust system that all oil residue and fuel residue are throwing away downstairs and so on the ground. In open system, as you know, all exhaust tubes are spraying the oil residue and fuel all around of the engine. So me and the terrace normally were covered by a thin layer of oil as well. I would definitely would like to note you that I decide to make a thermogram video of the engine to have a clear picture of comparison of the temperature status of the engine. So each difference can be clearly visible. Also, it keeps and bring me an ability to control engine better. So to understand that I control engine better. So let's talk. Thank you again for watching. I wish you a very nice and pleasant day. Thank you for watching. See you very soon at Crazy Engine channel. Thank you. Bye.